So after Pakistani armed forces tried to escalate, attempting to strike Indian air bases and strategic assets in response to India successfully targeting 9 terror camps, including the headquarters of Lashkar-e-Taiba at Murid-Ke and Jaish-e-Mohammed's Bahawalpur facility, the Indian armed forces were forced in retaliation to strike even deeper inside Pakistan. So from Skardu in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir down to Bholari in Sindh. But the major hits and massive hits were in Pakistan's Punjab province. And we have the latest satellite images from the Noor Khan Air Base. We'll also, of course, tell you about what happened at Rahim Yar Khan and Sargodha and Jacobabad. But we will show you satellite images of what happened at Murid Air Base. We will tell you what happened at various Pakistani Air Force bases. And these strikes were not symbolic. They were demonstrative, no doubt. They were a signal of intent, but the damage caused was intense and would hurt the Pakistan army for a very long time to come, because a pauper Pakistan that's anyway been waging this terror war against India with that nuclear bogey, now it has no place to run and no place to hide. India Today's access satellite images that reveal the real extent of the damage. In a moment from now, Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadoria, former Chief of Air Staff, he will join us to discuss these satellite images and the impact on Pakistan. But first, India Today's Sandeep Unithan and our bureau colleagues get you more in this report.
ये सिर्फ आक्रोश नहीं है, ये समर्थ भारत का रौद्र रूप है। ये भारत का नया स्वरूप है।
The message is clear. Any act of terror will be treated as an act of war. During Operation Sindoor, India rained fire on Pakistan after the terror state tried to attack Indian military infrastructure in response to India's attacks on terror hubs. After Pakistan's misadventures, India, in multiple precision strikes, hit 11 of their air bases, making them completely dysfunctional. Bholari was one of the worst hit. The Indian missile strike on a particular hangar damaged one SAB 2000 AWACS and 3 to 4 Western origin fighter aircraft. India used indigenous BrahMos missiles to carry out strikes at this airbase. The satellite images show a hole in the hangar rooftop and major damage inside the hangar. Not just Bholari, other air bases including Murid and Noor Khan also sustained considerable damages. The satellite images show the impact of the missile strikes that made a crater of 3 meters on the ground. The munition impact was just 30 meters from a crucial underground facility, which could be a weapon stockpile. Another attack at the compound damaged a drone complex and other structures at the airbase. A similar sight was seen at the Noor Khan airbase, where earth movers were used to remove the damaged structures. Pakistan lost at least 35 to 40 personnel in these attacks. Bureau Report, India Today.